Today I am cooking with this Dash Mini Griddle.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
I am making a BLT sandwich, a bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich, and I am cooking with this Dash Mini Griddle. This is a miniature griddle. It is round. It has a heating element on the bottom and a heating element on the top, and it is 4 inches in diameter. And the surface does get hot, so you do have to be careful with that. There is a blue light that lights up while it is heating up, and the blue light shuts off when it is up to full heat. So today I am using an English muffin. I'm using 2 slices of Canadian bacon. I'm using a large slice of an heirloom tomato that was grown in my backyard. I just picked this baby lettuce from my backyard also, and 3 sprigs of basil along with a little bit of mayonnaise. So the first thing that I want to do is cook the Canadian bacon, because by doing this first, what it should do is add a nice flavor to the little griddle. So I'm going to put both slices on there. I am going to shut the top of that, and I am going to let that cook for just 30 seconds or a minute. The bacon has been cooking for about 3 minutes now. You want to be very careful when opening this. And what I want to do is turn it over. You see how the bottom is getting nice and browned? It's because the top is not touching the top bacon slice. So let's flip it over and then let's cook that for about another 3 minutes. It smells really good. Okay, it's been about another 3 minutes now. So let's look at what's going on here. Yeah, that's nicely browned. So let's get the other side of that one. So I'll put both of the cooked, I'm putting both of the cooked sides together now. And we'll cook that for a few minutes. Okay. It's been a few minutes. Let's turn it over. That was actually only about a minute. So we'll do another minute on this side. Okay, it's been another minute, so let's check on the bacon. Yeah, that's nicely browned, beautifully cooked. So now let's put 1/2 of an English muffin in there. We could put a whole English muffin in there, but it's not going to cook as fast as if we just put half of it in. Because if we put the whole thing in, the griddle stays farther open. So let's cook this for a minute and check on it after a minute. Basically what we're trying to do right now is just toast the English muffin. When I have a BLT, I like a BLT on toast. Now, Canadian bacon is a very lean meat. It's much leaner than regular bacon, so there's not going to be a whole lot of grease on the griddle to soak into the bread. Okay, it's been a minute. Let's check on the English muffin. It's really starting to get nice and toasty. So I'm going to leave it in there for probably like another minute. I'd like it a little bit crunchier. Okay, let's check on it again. Yeah, that looks really good. Both sides are nice and crispy. We'll put the other one in. Let's put this one in face down and see how that goes. And we'll leave that in there for 2 minutes. So while that is cooking, what we can do is assemble this BLT. So this is really, really hot. I'm going to take the mayonnaise and I'm going to spread some mayonnaise onto the bottom of the English muffin. And then on the mayonnaise, I am going to put the basil. I love fresh herbs. So there we have the basil. And then on top of the basil, I am going to put the Canadian bacon. The bacon is still warm also. And then I'm going to top the bacon with this amazing tomato. Homegrown tomatoes are the best. And then on top of the tomato, I'm putting the homegrown baby lettuce. That looks so good. Okay, it's been 2 minutes, so let's take the other half of the English muffin out. Oh, but look, for some reason that really didn't toast up like the other one did. I guess if you put it cut side down, it keeps the moisture in. So let's turn that over and let's cook it this way, and let's see how that toasts, if it toasts better. Meanwhile, I am going to clean up this plate. Now, this mini griddle does not have any kind of temperature control, so there's no like low, medium, or high. There's also no on and off on this griddle. It's either plugged in and on or unplugged and off. So it's been a few minutes now, so let's open this up and see how this is toasting. Yeah, it's definitely toasting. It's nice and lightly toasted. It's definitely crispy. So I'm going to take that off, and I am going to top this BLT with it. That was actually the bottom of the English muffin, but that's okay. I'm unplugging the mini grill. So we're done with that, and let's take a look at this beautiful BLT. The part that just came out of the griddle is super hot right now. I'll put that down for a second. This is the yummy bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich that we just cooked in this Dash Mini Griddle. I can't wait to eat it. Should we cut it in half? No, we'll just eat it whole. It is so good. I love the basil. The combination of fresh basil with homegrown tomato is classic. And when you add the smoky Canadian bacon and the fresh baby lettuce, this is better than anything I could buy in a restaurant around here. This is seriously better than anything that I could buy in a restaurant around here. It is simple. It is fresh, it's healthy, and it's delicious. So good. So I am going to finish eating this amazing sandwich, and I would like to thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it or it was helpful for you, please give the video a thumbs up. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post some more videos, and make sure to hit the notification bell to find out about all future videos. And until next time, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you'd like to purchase your own mini griddle, there's a link in the description below this video where you can do that.